Hello and welcome back to the workshop renovation series. Whew. So the floor, in my humble opinion, is looking amazing. I'm so happy with the blue colour that I chose. I was tied between this blue, which is called steel blue, or slate. Usually I would go for the slate because I tend to like things that are either black, grey or white. I'm very monochrome like that. But I thought I'd push the boat out a bit, go for something that's kind of a happy medium between something that's kind of dulls down and something too vibrant. And this blue was the happy medium, and yeah, I'm incredibly happy with it. It does kind of look a bit like blue tack though, doesn't it? Now we do still have a few minor issues with bitumen. This is a patch by the front door, and you see if you rub it loads, it can get the paint off because it's slightly soft underneath. Not entirely sure if this is because it's a watered down coat that I've put on first. Hopefully a few more layers on top of this will prevent that from happening. But what I'm thinking is just maybe going back over it with a brush, more of the bitumen remover spray, and just really see if I can get this stuff out. I've also got a few more patches to fill in with the concrete filler that I wasn't able to see while the floor was in an absolute state, but obviously now it's painted, it's made them very obvious. So we're going to go over all these and also paint in the edges as well. And as for the wall, it's getting there, needs a few more coats. I think I'm going to attack it with a brush now to get into all of these nooks and crannies that are left over by the texture of the brick, because it's still looking a little bit patchy at the moment. So plenty of things to do today. Let's go. I can already see this being one of those things, like how far do you go with it? It's a workshop floor at the end of the day. Like by the time I get all of the large cracks and stuff filled in, then the medium ones will start annoying me, so I'd have to fill those in. And then once I fill those in, all of the small ones are going to start annoying me, so I'd have to fill those in. And then by the end of it, I'll have a floor that literally just looks like a big sheet of plastic, like no texture in it whatsoever. I just don't know where to stop with this. As predicted, I went over the top. Oh, absolutely smashing through the jobs today. So the next thing I want to do is cover up this gaping pit in the floor that I haven't fallen down yet, but I'm not going to tempt fate. I need to cover it up and get the sleepers back on it, but those are also covered in bitumen. But fortunately, it's only the side that was previously up. So I'm going to flip them over and hopefully work with a nice clean face on the top after that. But first, I want to pressure wash them to get them looking all nice and pristine, and then I might end up belt sanding them at a later date to really clean them up. But because I'm flipping them over and there's bitumen on the opposite side, there's no guarantee they're going to sit flat on there. So as much as I hate to say it, there's going to be more bitumen scraping now. I don't know if it's more annoying for you or me at this point. Right, I am going to call it there for today because I am a bit of a mess. I have got bitumen in my hair, which I have no idea how I'm going to get out. I've got bitumen on my forehead, which is, oh my lord, it is just so bad. Literally, I have no idea how I'm going to get this out. I really should have thought this through. I don't even think I'm going to be able to comb my hair, which is going to be twice as difficult because I never even comb it anyway. Oh my lord, this is just terrible. But hey, at least none of you can take the piss of my pale white legs. Look at them now. I've got all this nice colour on them. Oh, I'm trying to make some humour out of this situation. This really isn't good. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the episode and the series so far. We've still got plenty of things to get done, and I hope that you stick around for it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.
1 hour later.
We're now on the way home. My car's just broken down. I'm on the side of the A34. I'm in a lay-by. I am safe. And I look like this. Oh, how am I gonna explain this to the engineer that comes to save me? Oh Lord. Wish me luck. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next episode.